My name's Jo Simpson. My job role is within Wirral Borough Council. I'm one of the early childhood locality managers, which is part of Wirral's early childhood services and children's centres. Seacombe Children's Centre is a hub for families with children under 5, so there's lots of different services running here. We have health services such as midwifery, the 0 to 19 team, health visiting services. We also have appointments with physiotherapy and speech and language teams, so really trying to support all families' needs in the one place. We also have support such as the food bank, CAB services and general universal groups that run for families such as baby massage, baby yoga, baby babble, so really focusing on the prime areas of learning for children. We also have more specialist support with our family support teams who can offer one-to-one support in the home. Throughout COVID, children's centres had to change the way we delivered services. We were used to large groups coming into the children's centre and we had to change our delivery to providing more outreach, virtual support and providing parcels to the community. The centre did remain open and this enabled vital health appointments, domestic abuse support and allowed families to walk in if they were in crisis. We used social media on our My Child Can Facebook account and we provided lots of different activities and videos that families could do in the home. These focused around the really important things for child development such as physical development, communication and language and bonding and attachment. As well as this, within the children's centres we had immunisation clinics. So this was for older children and also for our COVID vaccinations throughout the summer. This enabled people to access those vaccines within their community and was more accessible than going elsewhere for appointments. Another initiative we've been working towards is the critical 1001 days. With our partners in Koala North West and Foundation Years Trust and Public Health Services, we've been able to build up a partnership to enable families to access a seamless support service for their families with children under 5. Post-pandemic, children's centres have returned back to normal delivery. We're back to providing drop-in sessions and drop-in activities for families to access as and when they need to.